Hello everyone, welcome back to Arena. Today, I think we might have found the cream of the crop. Last episode, we did some more exploring. In this episode, we found this little area right here, and this might be it. So, let's go check this shit out. Seems like a prison with spiders. So, are these things locked? And should we... I'm going to go ahead and bash these bad boys open. Nothing to fear from me. Oh, I guess I can't do that. Alright, what's in here? Magically locked. Is it going to allow me to open these things? Oh, yes it is. Come on. There we go. How's my sword looking? I did a lot of bashing. Slightly used. Alright, that's not good. I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. That must prove the worth. Okay, let's go and let's see. If cell 3 holds worthless brass and cell 2 holds the gold key, if cell 1 holds the gold key, cell 3 holds worthless brass. If cell 2 holds worthless brass, cell 1 holds the golden key. Knowing this brave fool, and knowing that all this said cannot be true, which of the cells contains the gold key? So if cell 3 is worthless brass, then there's no worthless brass in cell 3. There is no gold key in 2. That all that is said cannot be true. So is it cell 3, right? Cell 3. I'm not good at these kind of things, so we're gonna find out. That's no good. Or is it? Come on. What do you want? What do you want from me? Dead. Well, that's the way to open things. Shit. Shit. Come on. So, what does that mean? What does that mean? Does that mean anything? Does that mean that... Does that mean I have to try again? I'm confused. Let me see if it'll let me heal up in here. You go ahead and save. I feel like an idiot. I don't see any other answer. I guess there's only 3 answers, so I can only be wrong twice, right? Let me heal, please. There are enemies nearby. You're nearby. Fine. To fully healed. Jeez Louise! Die already. Okay. I cannot travel from here. I didn't mean to. 11 gold and a claymore. Alright, well. Will you let me camp until fully healed? Jeez! Alright, I think our luck has turned around again. There's no way. There's no way. Come on. Alright, we got 6 that time. Till fully healed. 4 that time. We're getting close to healing up. There, do I have to find anything up here? No, it seems that this is good. Can't camp because enemies are near. Oh, that's not fair. Enemies are nearby. Is there any enemies up here? Yes. Another floating minotaur. Come on. Okay. We should be good now. Till fully healed. Screw this, guys. I'm just using some potions. I don't even care anymore. South. Then we go west. Keep going west. Huh. Till fully healed. 3. Lizard man, nothing for us. Till fully healed. Couple more hours go by. What do we got this time? Ah, mage. Your magic can't hurt me. That's one good thing about a knight. Our willpower has to be high, so we're really immune to magic. Well, not immune, but we got some magic resistance. So, alright. Did our sword heal any? Because I might switch to the elven longsword of strength. Slightly used. New. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we're good for right now. Let's bash this door in. Come on. Slice, 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 slice. There we go. Ah, that wasn't even worth it, really. But this might. Maybe. We'll see. Ooh. Some more treasures. Mace. Oh, elven longsword. Okay, let's check this out. See if any of this stuff is enchanted. No, not done. Go back. Are any of you thingies enchanted? Well, none of our weapons are, which sucks. But we got an elven longsword. We got so that brings us down 16, 14. So this is better for right now. That's cool. Yeah, we got a few things we need to get enchanted. But let's go ahead and see if we can figure this shit out. Okay. I can't see down here. Oh, wait. So wait, what's in the rest? So it's 2. Still key. So we found... Is this one still as well? Still key. Okay, so it's 2. Alright. 2. Well, I'm an idiot, but what's new? Come on, pick it up. Gold key. Wonder what these steel keys are for. Maybe that'll let us open up some treasures. Alright, let's save. Get up in on y'all. The gold key. And we climb down further into this, which is... No, continue. This is a brand new map. Oh, wow! Some more stuff. Hopefully this isn't too big, or maybe hopefully it is. I'm not too much in a rush to beat this game, or maybe I am. I like some different scenery though. Oh, this area is huge. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Now this is where our potions of resist fire come into handy. Or come in handy. Not into handy, but they come in handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach the outskirts and see what's we're dealing with. Sorry, I can't talk today. Nothing over here. I wonder if this is like a mirror image of each other. It's seems to be. Alright. Well, screw that. Oh no. We're stuck. No, we're not. I lied. We've been stuck a couple of times, remember? Back in Stone Keep? Yeah, that happened. And when I was leaving, I got stuck again. Okay. Okay. Is there anything around here that I need to be aware of? Okay. Wow, we got some, what? Nyeh. Come on. You bad boys. Anything else over here? Just looking for some treasure chests. That might come in handy. Of course it'd come in handy. That's more loot. So there's nothing over here. And I'm assuming there's nothing over that way either. So we're good right there. Anything over here? Nothing. What about over this way? Probably. There's probably some more skeletons. Anything? Oh, more skeletons. I was right. Come on. Now I know I said that skeletons are resistant to... Oh, here's some lizard men. To swords and prone to mace or blunt damage. But I think that'd be a waste of time, especially with the weapons we have. Now, if I can get an enchanted mace and we run into a lot of skeletons, I might do that. But I'm not going to waste my time with that unless it's like by the means that I need to do that. Okay, so we got to go in here, obviously. So let me save. No, well. Let's go ahead and save in a new file. It's been a while. Engeldude 4. Okay. How will it let us rest? Can't. Where are the enemies? I don't know where the enemies are. Till fully healed? Of course not. I can do this if there's just lizard men, or as long as we make some sort of progress. 1 hour. Minotaur. Okay. Set 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is good. Aha. Oh no, you're bringing us back down. No, you're almost killing us. What the hell are you? Daikatana. What are you? A spell sword, and that killed us. Jeez. There must have been another spell sword. Okay. Well, since this has to be the end of it. Unless this brings us down to another section, but should be good. So let's. What is neither fish nor flesh, feathers nor bones, but still has fingers and thumbs of its own? What has fingers but has no flesh or bones? Would it be gloves? Oh boy, redeeming myself. Oh, wait a minute. Resist fire. And then heal. Wait a minute, where are you? Did they just die? Okay. Did I kill them all? Here we go. The first piece of the Staff of Chaos flashes once before you, turning to a dull piece of ebony in your hand. You can feel it Oh shit, there's 7 other pieces. Alright, well that means we've got to get out of here. So, will it let us get out of here? No? Okay. It won't let us travel, will it? No. But we can save. Fucking hate riddles. Usually I'm not good at them. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, now which is the fastest way back? I bet you there's... I think there's a tunnel that leads all around. Maybe. Let's go back up. And... No, wait. Go back up. Open this door. Is there anything that can kill us right now? Seems so. Fucking spider. Alright. Say one more time. Let's get the fuck out of here, guys. I don't think it's fair for you guys to have to watch this. Oh. So. I'm gonna die, but I just saved, so it's no big deal. No, you know what? Screw that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, so I don't think it's fair for you guys to have to sit here and watch me do this whole thing, because I'm probably gonna die a few times. I mean, look at my health. But I'll fast forward to town. See ya. Whoa, guys. Whoa, guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think this is Thorn himself. I do not know who you are, but you have made a fatal mistake. Rhea and her feasible powers, no protection for you. Man. Oh, so he knows. Okay. So now that we have one of the pieces of the staff, he knows that we have it, and now he's gonna try to kill us. So I don't know if that. Oh, well, he just successfully succeeded. Okay. All right, guys. I know I just cut there for a second, but I'll be right back this time. Hey guys, just want to let you know, while I was getting out of here, I leveled up. Here it is. I'm showing you. I'm going to put 1 in the strength, 1 in agility, and we're just going to make these 55. And I got some more HP. Cool. +4 to damage, +3 to magic defense, +3 to hit, +1 to health, +1 to charisma. Cool. Alright guys, I'll see you back in town. Hey guys, I'm back now. Let's go sell some stuff. Oh, I'm so used to there being enemies, I just freaked out. Alright, put my sword away. Wow, this is the first time we've seen civilization in a long time. Alright, well, I forgot how to person. Here. Sir, where is the nearest... No, where's the Mages Guild? Let me show you your map. Oh, so we're really close. I bet you this is it. Yeah, really close. Let's go see what we've got. Cool. Where's our dude? Where's our dude at? Where's our dude? We don't have a dude here? Come on, guy. Come on, guy. Where you at? Oh, here he is. Jesus. Let's detect some magic. Alright, well I know we need crystal. Yes. Then hold on, what do we have to detect? So we've got, yeah, we got a long sword, 2 marks, a belt, 2 torques, and 3 amulets, and a potion. Alright, so we're done with that. Exit. Done. Okay, so this is going to be a bit of enchanting, but let's see what we got. Detect magic. On belt. Yes. Detect magic on our long sword. That better be good. That's a lot of money. Ooh, are we gonna run out of money? Just detecting magics on stuff? Yes. Yes. Okay. Now we have 3 more amulets and a potion. And 1 more. Alright, let's see what we got. So we've got wow! We can paralyze our enemies. Cool. Selling that though. Mark of healing. Keeping that. Wait. 0 charges. I guess we'll sell that. Shocking. Invisibility. Cool. Done. Actually, let's go back. Alright guys, I'm going to sell my stuff and then I'm going to buy some potions and then I'm going to ask around about this next place we have to go to. So, one last cut. Actually, yeah, I'm going to cut one more time, then figure out whatever, show you guys how much gold. Yeah, we'll see it, and then see you in a sec. Guys, look how much money we made. We made about 13,000, excuse me. That sword of paralyzation or paralysis scored us almost $9,000 by itself. So, that's awesome. I think though, before I do anything else, and I'm sorry for all the cuts and stuff, that shit took me a while to get out of Fang lair. But we're on our way. Probably somewhere in Skyrim. I'm going to ask around, get a few healing potions and stuff like that. And before I trek anywhere, I'm going to find out the location. We'll pick up next time right there. Anyways, guys, thank you for clicking on the video. You didn't have to. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Anyways, don't forget to stay awesome to one another. Until next time, peace out.